Hello students, you are most welcome in my class 12th Maths, and today our topic is integrals, and we use some particular integrals to solve this exercise 7.4. We take this question, let us solve this question 3x upon 1 plus 2x to the power 4 dx. So for this we write like this 1 plus 2. Here we take 2 common. Here it becomes 1 by 2 plus x to the power 4 dx. X to the power 4 and dx. Now we can write it 3 by 2 x into 1 by 2 x square whole square dx. Now we can write it 3 by 2 x dx upon 1 by 2. It is 1 by root 2 whole square plus x square whole square. Now we putting x square is equal to t. Differentiating x square we have 2x and it is dt by dx. Now we have x into dx is equal to half dt. Then our integration takes place here. X dx half dt, and it can be written as 1 by root 2 whole square plus t square, because x square is supposed t. So this can be written as 3 by 4 integration dt upon 1 by root 2 whole square plus t square. It is a form of a square plus s square. Students, see, we have to integrate 3x upon 1 plus 2x to the power 4 dx. We take out 2 common from denominator. So 2 is common, it becomes 1 by 2 plus x to the power 4, and in numerator 3x. So 3x upon 2 in bracket 1 by 2 plus x to the power 4 dx. We have here 3 by 2 x dx 1 by 2, it is x square whole square. Now we have 3 by 2 x dx, first term is 1 by root 2 whole square plus x square whole square. Now we suppose x square d, on differentiating it, differentiation of x square to x dt by dx, therefore it becomes x dx half dt. In place of x dx we substitute half dt, and here 1 by root 2 whole square plus t square. Therefore it becomes 3 by 4 dt upon and 1 by root 2 whole square t square. Now we can write it. It can be written like this. It becomes 3 by 4 dt upon 1 by root 2 whole square plus t square. Its formula is dx upon a square plus x square, 1 upon a, 1 upon 1 by root 2 tan inverse x by a, t upon 1 upon root 2 plus constant. Put the value of t here. We put the value of t here. It becomes 3 by 4 into root 2 tan inverse the value of t x square into root 2. It becomes root 2 x square plus constant. This can be written as 3 by 2 root 2. It cancel out 4. 2 root 2 times tan inverse root 2x square plus constant. It is integration of this another question. We solve exercise 7.4. Exercise 7.4. So we have a question here. See students, exercise 7.4. Now we solve another question. We have a question here. Question number 13. Integration of under root 1 upon under root x minus 1 into x minus 2. Integration of dx. So on multiplying x minus 1 and x minus 2, we get x square minus 2x minus x plus 2. So this can be written as x square minus 3x plus 2 in under root. So we solve it separately. X square minus 3x plus 2. We solve it by completing whole square. X square minus 2 times 2 into x into 3 by 2. So we completing whole square, we square, we add 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square here plus 2 here. It becomes we solve it by completing whole square. See, x square minus 3x plus 2 can be written as x square minus 2x into 3 by 2. Multiplying by 2 and dividing by 2. We have 2ab here and b square. We add b square and subtract b square or plus 2 here. Therefore, it becomes x minus 3 by 2 whole square plus 2 minus 9 by 4. It becomes x minus 3 by 2 whole square plus 4 by 8 minus 9. It is minus 1 by 4. So this value can be written like this. Therefore, our integration changes. It becomes 1 upon under root x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square. Since we know that integration of 1 upon under root x square minus a square is equal to log of x minus 3 by 2 plus under root x square minus a square minus 1 by 4 plus constant. Its integration is log of x means x minus 3 by 2 plus under root x square minus a square, x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 4. On solving, we get log of 2x minus 3 plus in under root we have x square minus 3x plus 2. It is plus constant. So this is our solution. This is our solution. Integration of 1 upon under root x minus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to log of 2x minus 3 plus under root x square minus 3x plus 2. So it is form of log m upon log n. तो log n log 2 constant होगा minus log 2 constant होगा. It is included in this constant value. Therefore, its integration is log 2x minus 3 plus under root x square minus 3x plus 2. Thank you, students.